Another forgotten car from GM, the X cars. That's the Buick Skylark version of it. We also have the Pontiac Phoenix, as well as the Citation. And what was weird? Yes. Show me your car.
Black one.
Yeah. Sure. Black one. Show me your car. Come on. Let's see what we got here. And you just got done with her for the show?
Yeah, I picked it up Wednesday night from my buddy that does body work.
Uh-huh. She's looking sharp.
New paint always looks good, but it's got a lot of imperfections.
Pop the hood, let's take a look.
Oh, that's embarrassing. I didn't touch under the hood.
Don't worry about it. Nice workhorse. Nice workhorse. Oh, I'm glad you got the modified motor mounts.
Yeah.
That was a big problem.
It's wore out though.
Yeah.
But the new ones that you can buy that are solid mounts were bad too.
Oh.
The bushings wear out in like 2 months.
Yeah. I know, because the firing order makes the engines rock, and that was the killer.
Well, especially with the stick shift ones,
yeah.
Shifting gears, it puts all the torque on it.
Yep.
So it just kills them.
Yeah,
especially if you drive like me.
Yeah. Yeah. A little heavy on the right. Yeah. Yeah, but that's half the fun. These things weigh nothing and they go with a manual.
2,700 pounds.
This is great.
Actually, the notchbacks are lighter. They're only like 2,300.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Interesting.
The hatchback weighs more.
Huh. I'm surprised.
And the four-door hatchbacks weigh 3,200. So they're even more heavy.
The piggies. Yeah. I like that design, though. That was kind of cool. And it's interesting is that they made it in the coupe liftback in both 2-door and 4-door.
Yep.
So they were really trying hard.
Coupe. They didn't have the 4-door coupe.
No.
They're all 2-door.
Yeah. So this is really sweet.
Thank you.
Very nice.
I've had it about 3 years.
What made you get into it?
I've totaled it twice.
Oh, jeez. You're kidding. What happened?
First time, a tractor trailer was coming on a off ramp.
Yeah.
And he was going like 25, and I was going 75, so I started getting over the left lane. And all of a sudden, a horn was beeping. I turned around and looked, and there was a Jeep Cherokee I was pushing off the road. So I swerved back over, locked up the brakes, and plowed in the back of the truck.
Oh, my gosh.
And then I had all the parts I needed to fix it with. Went to a friend's house that does body work, 2 hours away.
Yeah.
And, completely changed the whole core support, put it all back together. Stayed at his house for dinner, left at 6 o'clock, 50 miles down the road towards home. I hit a deer at 75 miles an hour. Tore up everything we just did.
Jeez, that's insane.
So, and that was 2 years ago before Carlisle.
Yeah.
And it was a week till Carlisle.
Oh, no.
So I took an old crappy parts car that I had, threw all the worst parts that I owned on it.
Yeah.
But had to sand the grill down, paint it black, had to put everything back nice, and spray painted the front end black, and it looked like crap.
Yeah.
So, but I made the show.
That's the important thing.
Now it's finally put back together and looks nice.
Do me a favor. Stay away from deer. Stay away from dogs like Mac.
When I picked it up on Wednesday night,
yeah,
it was 2.5 hours from my house, and what was it? 10 minutes from Greg's house, a deer ran out across the road in front of us.
Oh,
I was like, oh my God, I'm going to total it again before we even get home.
Oh, no. Well, these were notorious.
We saw like 3 just standing on the side of the road. One came off.
Oh, jeez. Wow. Now, these are notorious for locking up the rear brakes and doing strange things.
The notchbacks don't have a problem as bad as the hatches do.
Okay.
So I've got 3 notches and 2 hatchbacks.
Yeah.
And I don't have a problem with the notches. What makes this one rare is the spoiler.
Yeah, that's unusual. I was admiring that.
It's made out of the same stuff that the bumper fillers are made out of that disintegrates and falls apart.
Yes.
So it's actually like rubber.
Oh, okay. At least it's together.
That's why it has the ripples in it.
Yeah.
It's rubber.
GM in there.
There's only 4 of them known to exist that we know of.
Wow.
They've all been scrapped or whatever. GM broke the mold after like 2 months of making the 80X11s.
Yeah.
So they only made a handful of spoilers. There's only 4 left.
Wow.
That we can find.
Good luck.
I've
Oh,
got
you
two-
have
I've
two
got
here.
of them.
Got one over there.
That's a hatch though. The
Okay.
hatchback's made out of fiberglass. Yeah, there's
Oh,
tons of those. I've
gotcha.
got like 10 of them at home.
Yeah.
But the ones for the notch
Not
backs,
for the notch.
there's 4.
Why would they make this rubber and that one glass?
Because of the problem they had with these.
Yeah.
I guess. I
That's GM in their ultimate wisdom.
don't know. Yeah.
Unreal.
I mean, the hood's fiberglass, so
Oh, really?
yeah, the cow induction hoods, they're fiberglass.
I didn't know that. That's cool.
Yeah, it's fiberglass.
Oh, yeah.
And it bends and flexes.
Wow.
Fiberglass.
I know they had a lot more Go Fast parts on the X11.
Yep.
It's actually a hot little ride.
The 80s don't have that though.
Oh,
The
really?
80 is just an appearance package.
Okay.
So 80X11s, whether it was a hatchback or a notch, got them little scoops on the side
Right.
that are just fake. They don't go anywhere. They don't do anything. They just literally screw them to the side of the car.
Yeah.
And the spoiler, and even an 80 doesn't even have the cow induction hood.
Okay.
From an 81.
Gotcha. Well, that's why you have the 81 decal on the side.
Yeah, it's an 81
So-
decal for the door. Well, the whole door's been changed.
Ah.
It's had power windows added to it.
Oh, that's cool. That must be a rare option. That's nice. I love the interiors, though.
It goes good with the black car.
Yes, it does. And that felt which they use, this is such of an 80s thing.
Yeah, I always call it velvet, and it's only an 80.
Yeah.
After 80, they got rid of it and went to leather or full-on cloth.
That's wild. Or vinyl, depending on how cheap you get.
I call it the plastic.
Yeah. Yeah.
Or leather.
That is great. I love seeing a manual. That's cool. This is cool.
Driving
Wow.
is neat. You can slow all the way down to 18 miles an hour, and it's in 4th gear. Hit
Yeah.
the gas and just go. You don't even
Wow.
have to downshift.
Jeez. Great torque on that.
First
little
gear is
thing.
a waste though.
Yeah.
It'll only go like 25 in first if you wind it out. So I
Ah.
usually use 2nd and 4th. I take off in 2nd, shift to 4th, and that's
I like that. A modern power glide.
yeah, 2-speed slip, but it don't slip and slide. It's a good one.
Yeah. This is beautiful. I'm glad you made it. And keep an eye open for those deer. Little bass. No,
Yeah.
I'll be nice.
Absolutely.
Looks good.
Glad you found them.
Oh, definitely. That is great. That is so cool. Thank you. All right, Jason.